I prefer ego upliftment instead of the term ego death because the latter still feels based in judgment and fear to me and can often lead to spiritual bypassing, which is spiritual ego. We want to bring understanding and compassion to all those parts that are shadow within us. It is only through this compassionate light that we are able to transmute and integrate those parts of rejected, repressed, or projected self or identity back into the whole. We want to understand why we project, why we feel entitled, why we feel victimized, why we feel superior, why we are afraid, why we are so fragile, why we take on others' energies and emotions, why we are dismissive or indifferent, why we are inflexible, and where we are inflexible. Archangel Michael is here to assist. Nankar tirtos di koroko undi ik acharaka, langkor tirtos di karaka, nanar tirtas dika anu orokos, danda arakas di hichte, dandar tirtos di korokon siarta, dankartos di koroko lo orokos dika anankaraka, dandur di hichte. Danar tietas di kareka lu urukus, danda araka lu urukun diurte. Ondo urukus di hekta. Ondo urukus di ka anang kareka lu ikurukus. Danda as di hekta. Danda arakas di ka anang kareka lu urukus. Danda arakas di ka anung kuruko lu urukus di ka akhan. Danar tietas di kareka. Danar tietas tika anang kareka lu urukustihi, ando urukustika anang kareka li ikuruku undi ikhanda arka, lanar tietas tika rekan siarta, andur tiurtos tika akhan, andur tiurtos tika anang kareka li ikurukus, danda arakas tika anang kareka, Dandar tiurtus tika anang kareka lu ikurukus, danar tierta, landa aha arakas, diur tiertas tika reka lu urukun siarta, li ikurukus tika anang kareka li ikurukus diurti, angkarakas tika anang kareka, lungkurukus tika ananan di ikus, danda araka lu urukus tika rekan siarta uziana Tirta, uziana tirtas tikarakalu urukun siarta, angkaraka, angkaraka, angkaraka. We don't want to kill our personality or sense of being an individual. That kind of death can be very destabilizing and actually lead to mental health issues. We meant to be a unique expression of source, experiencing life in a specific way. We are instead dissolving the personas, and we are reconnecting with our true identity and purpose, which are components of the ego too. Our ego helps us to understand our purpose. It is part of our drive and sense of worth. Nartirtas tika anangkarka, langkarokos tikorokon siata ando urukos, dan nartirtas tika anangkarka lu uruko undik aha arka, li ikarkas tikarakan siarta, nan nartirtas tikaraka lu urukos dirti, anda arakas tika anangkarka da anungkohta anda arakas tiko unungkoroko, dirtirtas tika lanortig, onsonreertas tika anang kareka no unkohta ando orokos tika anang arakastiko uhun, dirtirtastika anankaraka. Dirtirtastika anankarakastika rukun siarta. So we are letting go of all other false selves. Nartirtastika anankarakastika rukun siarta. Nankaraka nunkurukustiko ruku, by understanding them, by bringing compassion to those parts of self. Nartirtastika rakalu urukustiko uhundo uruku nanda arakastika raka, understanding why they were created. Nurtirtastika anankaraka nankaraka, and honoring them for the role they have played for us. Nartirta nankaraka sikaraka, where they were created, for instance, as a form to cope or to feel safe. Nurtirtastika anankarakastika rakalu urukun siarta. So we can let go of them now and say thank you that you were there for us. Na arakastika anankarto urukustiko ununkurtiarta, lanartirtastika rakan siarta, nanartirtastika rakalu urukustihta, anda arakastihik na ankaldo urukus, dirtirtastika anankaraka, dirtirtastika rakalu urukustika, nanda araka, nandartastiko ununkurukus, di ikaharaka, lunkurukostika ahan sihta, ankurukos Kostika anan karaka angkoro kostika anan nanartirtastika ahan siarta nanartirtastika anunkoroko lo oroko. Archangel Jophiel is here to assist with all the insights that we are going to gain. Na arakastika anankaraka, and to assist us with the integration process. Nartirtastika rakasikroko ununkoroko, and the upliftment process. Na arakastika anankaraka, bringing wisdom. Na arakastik ohoroko, danda of the seraphim are here as well to connect us with our true soul song. Nurtirtastika anankaraka li ikarakas nankaraka, so that we may sing in a greater purity our soul song. Nartirtastika anankartostika rukun siarta, and with greater confidence our soul song. Nartirtastika anankaraka lu urukostika achan nankarakasika, in more brightness. Nartirtastika anankaraka li ikarakastika rakan siarta, li ikarakas dartostika roku nondo urukostika achan siarta, no urukus dirtirtastika li ikaraka na ahalakasikaraka. We want to uplift our ego in such a way that its purpose of protection and survival transforms into a purpose of actualization and interdependence, where we are lovingly our authentic sense of self in this embodiment, while we are also lovingly interconnected part of a oneness. An integrated ego is to be truly spiritually embodied. It is to be able to live heaven on earth. It is to be our bliss body while being fully physical as well. Thank you. Nartirtastika anankaraka. Nartirtastika anankurtostika rokon siarta. Nandartirtastika la rokostiko uhunda araka. Lirtirtastika raka li ikaha rokostiko ununkoroko. Londo orokostika anankaraka. Londo orokostika anankaraka li ikarakas. Li ikarakastika anankaraka li ikarakas. Dondo orochon, donortirtastika anankaraka, dondortostiko onunk ochtichta, andartirtastika anankaraka, andartirtastika anunkorokos, danda araka, dandartastika anankaraka, dandartirta astiko ochon, astika anankartostichta anurtostiko, lu orokostika anankaraka, lu orokostika anankaraka, anangkaraka, li ikarakas, li ikarakas, li ikarakas, li ikarakas, li ikarakas tika anang kurtos tika uhun. Anda arakas tika anangkaraka, anda arakas tika anan, nundortos tika ahan siarta. Langkar tirtas tika anangkaraka, langkarakas tika lurukus tika uhun na arka, lanar tirtas tika ananirtis, ando lurukus tika uhun da araka, li ikarakas tika anangkaraka, li ikarakas tika undo urukus, dondo urukus tika anangkaraka, dondo urukus tika anangkaraka, li ikarakas tika anangkaraka, lu urukus, danda arakas tihikta, danda arakas tihikta, danda arakas tihikta, danda arakas tihikta. Onkorokos tika ahan, onkorokos tika ahan, angkaraka, angkaraka, angkaraka. It is done. It is so. Thank you for all my love.